investment destination for real estate. Yes, Ogombo Road is fast developing. I'm right here at Lekki Pride set for allocation soon. So Ogombo is fast developing. Ogombo is located off Abraham Adesanya. Ogombo Road is located around Abraham Adesanya, just off Lekki Expressway through the Abraham Adesanya. The place is quite developing. This is Charter House, opposite me here, Lagos Charter House, the popular Lagos Charter House. This strategically located along Ogombo Road, and there are so many other people at Ogombo Road. If you are coming into Abraham Adesanya, you have the popular Abraham Adesanya estate, you have the Urban Pride 1, Urban Pride 2, Urban Pride 3 and 4, you have the estate by the knee, you have so many other estates, and you have the your heavens. So Ogombo as a location today is prime for real estate. Any investment here is worth it, whether purchase of land, whether purchase of houses. Congratulations to all the people that invested and the people that see what they're doing. Yeah, finishing work, congratulations and happy new year. Congratulations to all the investors at Lekki Pride 2 as work is on the top there. Work is at finishing stage. You can see the beautiful mansions up there at Lekki Pride 2. Congratulations to all that are invested. If they are interested in investing in real estate, getting a nice property like what you are seeing at Lekki Pride 2, please get in touch with me on the number on your screen.